So Premiere has been giving me this pesky error of retrieving the frame, like the frames are not loaded, and I've just figured out how to fix it after about 30 minutes. Now, all you want to do to fix this annoying issue is you can actually just go into the option called Premiere in the top left-hand corner of the screen, and you just want to go into the option called Settings and basically go down to the option called Media Cache right here, which is above Memory. When you click on this, we basically want to remove any of these unnecessary files that are not being used. Just Premiere is basically storing all of the past files on your computer, whether you know it or not, just from the past. And you click on this and click on Delete All Media Cache Files, and will basically restart your Premiere Pro and clear your cache database, which includes a bunch of random frames that may have been generated or rendered over time across years of using Premiere. Now, they're typically deleted after a set amount of time. Now, for me, it's 12 months, but this will basically clear any of those ones more recently that are not being used or have not been used recently. And when you actually restart this option, it'll take a second and restart Premiere and just open automatically. We can open up our project, and this should fix your issue. You can see this clip does work now of not being able to use or access certain frames in Premiere Pro. If you found this helpful, leave a like. Have a great day.